Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time on a rechargeable under hood work light. Now if you do own a vehicle, these do come in very handy. I normally use magnetic flashlights, but this company saw that I did reviews on my channel. They sent this to me. They wanted me to test and review this product of theirs. Now the model number is RTB-1327-US. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Nothing else in here. In the box, that is. Here's the USB Type-C charging cable. Try to get all of this out here. Oh, there is a manual here. That's what the user manual shows, that it's a COB LED. Nothing on the back. Now here is the light. You can see it's a large, kind of reminds me of those headlamps that you wear on your head. And I've received a couple of them, but they didn't do very well in my test. Literally after just a couple weeks of using them, they started to go dark. So hopefully this doesn't have that problem. Here are the hook to clamp on your hood, and then this hangs in the middle of it. One for each side. Now I kind of wish that this was magnetic, because you wouldn't need these straps. You could just magnetically hold that on there. So it'll be a hint to this company, since they've already got pretty much a idea here. Let me see if this is magnetic. If it is, then I don't have to strap it on the hood. Nope. These are not magnetic. So I'll send a little request for the company to maybe incorporate that, because this is not going to stretch, to just put magnets on the end here and you can just clip it wherever you need it rather than having to strap it. Now these are plastic, but it just, they do have a little bit of a felt here to keep it from scratching your hood, but I'll definitely put a cloth in there as well. These are stretchable, so it'll be a nice tight double stitched material here. It's all velcroed in so you can lock it in there. It's actually pretty nice quality. This here is a rubberized material. COB LED, you don't have to worry about bending them. Fully bend them anyway. Now this looks like it's the battery pack here. I don't see no button on here. Okay, here's the charging port here. So that's where you're going to charge it. And this looks like the power button's right here. Try not to knock over my camera here. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, man. That is bright. Wow, look at that. I wasn't expecting that much light from the beginning. Okay, so you can step it down a little bit and then turns off. That's crazy. That's a lot of lumens coming out of that. And these don't heat up at all. So I don't have to worry about heat being a problem. Whew. I've got to admit, that's got some lumens behind that. All flood. I'll show it to you again here, above and out of the range of the camera. So I mean, that thing's just and that's the next level. And that's off. Wow. Well, it feels like good build quality on here. Definitely rugged enough where you can just throw it, maybe hang it up on your wall of your garage somewhere, ready to go whenever you need it. Definitely is a benefit. Only time will tell to see how long this LED and the battery will last. Now this does have like a rubber coating on it, so it's almost like a boot that's wrapped around the outside of that. Actually, I can see the battery down in there. Looks like a LiPo battery. Yep, that's what that is. I can't see the voltage on it, but so those are really safe batteries to have, especially with this LED. Alright, well let's take this out to one of my vehicles here, and maybe I'll try a different view on both my vehicles over the engine. Let's see how it looks. And this is how much light it throws out. Look at that. That's a large amount of light, more than enough to work on your vehicle with. So, impressive. Now that's the highest output there. Get another hand available here. That's the lower light level there. No PWM. It just hangs down. You can have it a little bit tighter if you want, but I want it shooting down onto the engine. A way to make it easier to change my oil. Alright. Turn it back up so you guys can see the difference. That's off. And that is on. Look at that. Impressive. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of this thing. Got to take my hats off to this company. They've got a good product here, especially in performance. Now, I'll test it over time and see how long this battery lasts, but the brightness, lower it down, it's going to last a lot longer. This here is amazing light output, and it just shines the whole area. You could use this for other projects as well. I don't see an issue if you can figure out how to attach it to it. If you could just hang it from something and just maybe hang it on a ladder, you can light up a whole room or backyard with this darn thing. It's very much a cool white flood beam. Is impressive. Something I'm definitely going to use. The only thing, these here, they are plastic, so they shouldn't scratch your paint on your car, but if you are worried, just stick a little cloth on that, pull it in, and do the same on the other. You shouldn't have any issues with this. This is pretty rugged. Not seeing any issues with this. It's stretchable, so if your car hood is, you know, a little bit longer, it will stretch to fit just about any hood there is. And There is little areas on some hoods that you can have it hang down a little bit, kind of stoop. So that might be an option for you as well, to where you don't have to use it all the way to the edge of your hood, or some people call it bonnet. This will really come in handy for nighttime when it's cooler outside, or an emergency happens. Just tag this along with you, help out your family member or etc., and you'll have light whenever you need it. This here is a little bit off-centered because I did try to attach it, see if I could hook it up a different way. So I ended up just doing it the regular way with the clips here. So now this thing does feel rugged because of the rubber boot here that's on the outside of it. Okay, well, I want to thank the company for sending me this rechargeable underhood work light. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, it comes with everything you need right here in this box to get started. I will leave a link to their Amazon store where you can get this. Also, if I do get a discount code, or sometimes they'll do the click the coupon to save, if I do get that, it'll be with that link. Just click the coupon before you check out. You should be fine. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these types of products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.